Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. She's back. I thought I would pop back on to the camera and do a long form video. Show you guys what I have received for my birthday, what I bought. I've been buying a lot of crap. I won't even call them crap. I've just been buying a lot of stuff. The sales have been really good this year, so I wanted to share that with you. But also, I think most importantly, I just wanted to come back and say hi, and I really do miss this. And I've been doing shorts for a little bit, I think now for a week, just to get myself comfortable being back in front of the camera and just to do what I really enjoy doing. So yeah, I hope everybody's been doing well and all ready for Christmas and the new year. I am believing and having faith that 2026 is going to be a fabulous year for me, my family, and for everyone. It has to be, and that's what my heart is saying, and it's going to be. But so today is in the middle of the week, so I need to prep my meals for the next couple of days because hubby is not here. He'll be back tomorrow. And I don't want to be eating any fast food. I've been eating terribly. I've been wanting nothing but sweet, and I really need to stop doing that. So I'm going to make my meals for tonight, tomorrow, because I have to be in the office, and for Friday. And I will probably share that with you, what I'm cooking. But I do want to show you what I purchased from HomeGoods. I stopped by there yesterday and just to find, what was I looking for? Oh, I wanted red picks for an arrangement that I'm going to be making. I went to pick up some Christmas tree trimmings from Lowe's and Home Depot, but I wanted to put some red picks in it, but I couldn't find any. But of course I went to HomeGoods looking for that and then got sidetracked and bought some other stuff. So I want to show you guys that as well, and yeah, that's it. I hope you guys are doing good. I really do hope you guys are doing good. Yeah, so yeah, I'm back. I hope. All right, let's grab what I did get. It actually wasn't a lot. I got a coffee mug, which I really liked. I'm really into the ski scenes this year, so let me grab this mug. So this is the mug that I got at HomeGoods, and I really like it. It is so cute. It's got the little chocolate martini and the snowflakes, and it's on both sides, which is, I love any mug that has the print on both sides, because if it's on one side, and I don't normally hold my mugs with my left hand. I'm right-handed, so I want it to be shown on both sides when I'm drinking a mug. So drinking out of a mug. So yeah, I thought this was cute, and it was like $7. It was $6.99. But the fabulous thing that I picked up, and if you guys like this, go to HomeGoods, maybe they'll have it, were these glasses, martini glasses. Solid glass. It's 100% recycled glass, made in Mexico. But oh my gosh, look at that. It's got spots on this one because I washed this one, and they're huge, which I love. Look how big that is. It's like as big as my head. And I love it. I love this. It reminds me, let's see if you guys are OGs here and watch Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, the first season with Camille Grammer at that time, and it was called the dinner from hell, I think. And she was serving these drinks out of large glasses like this one, And I loved her glasses, but of course I couldn't find them. So when I saw these, it totally was a complete flashback to the dinner from hell of Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, because they were all saying that the glasses were huge. And I'm pretty sure they were this size. I'm pretty sure they were, because they were big, and this is big. So I picked up 8 of these. I want to get 2 more. So I'm hoping when I go back, they may have maybe restocked a little bit, or I'm gonna look at another HomeGoods store closer to Summerlin. But yeah, so this one, and it's Christmas, and I think I can use this year round. I'm pretty sure I can. I have smaller blue glasses like this. They're short and they're thick, but they're not as big as this one. But I like to pick up things that are unique, so that when we have dinner parties, I have like a variety of glassware that I can use. But I love this glass. I love them. They were so cute. I may even make a drink on this video to fill this one up, but if not, it'll be in a future vlog. So what else did I get? Oh, and then I got a Christmas present for a friend who loves Chanel. They had designer books, like coffee table books there. They had Louis Vuitton, Yves Saint Laurent, Chanel, a couple of other ones. Really nice books that were, you know, ranged from about $30 on up. So I picked up one of those. And yeah, that's it. That's it for HomeGoods. But anyways, let me get my dinner started, and I will probably do a B-roll of that. And then we'll sit down. My collective haul is probably going to be 2 parts, because I did get a lot of things. But we'll see. We'll see if I can get it all into this video. I don't want this video to be too long, but we'll see. We'll see. So I'll be back. Okay, I ground up some turkey meat, which I plan on eating just plain, and then I boiled some what is this, cauliflower, because I'm going to make a cauliflower mash in the blender here. So I'm going to do that now. And what I normally do for cauliflower mash is just put it in the blender, add a little bit of milk and butter, salt and pepper. That's all I pretty much want in it, and it's really good. I don't know if you guys have had it before. It's pretty simple to do. It's a little bit runnier than mashed potatoes, but if you don't put too much milk in it, it should be about the same consistency, maybe a little bit more thinner, I guess, but it's really good, and it's a good replacement for potatoes if you're trying to watch your carb intake. Then in here, I had leftover cranberry sauce that I made for Thanksgiving. So I saw a video on Instagram of a spicy cranberry syrup for like drinks or mocktails. So I'm trying to make my own. I didn't follow their recipe. This is just mine. I took my cranberry sauce, added about twice as much water, and put a little bit more like Christmas herb seasoning, which is cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves in here, and I added a half a cup of sugar. So I boiled it down, and I'm just letting it cool so I can strain it. So I'll show you guys that when I get to it. It should be sometime this evening. I'll either show you when I'm doing it, or I'll show you what it looks like when I put it in the bottle. cauliflower mash. Good stuff. Okay guys, I have placed everything in their container. It made up 3. I only had so much meat for 3 dishes. And cauliflower is on the bottom, beef is on top. I was gonna roast some vegetables, but I decided not to because cauliflower is a vegetable. But I probably will scramble some eggs in the morning and take that with me and eat that for breakfast, and then this for my lunch. And then I had some cauliflower mash left over, so I put it in the dish here. And I plan on roasting some vegetables this weekend to meal prep for next week. So I'll just have this in the dish as well as the roast vegetables and whatever meat I decide to cook. Okay, and then here is the cranberry spicy syrup sauce. I don't think it's spicy. I didn't put that much ginger in this, so it's more cranberry cinnamony. So I'm gonna call it a cranberry cinnamon syrup. And what I did is after it cooked down a little bit and before it became too gelatin, I let it cool down and then poured it into this and let the syrup part, you know, drain out. And this is what's left. I'll probably just toss this. I was thinking about putting it on top of the turkey, which I did taste this with the turkey. It's really good. However, I'm trying to cut back on unnecessary things that I'm eating as my main meal. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and toss this. But I do have a little bit extra. So I'm gonna make a old-fashioned with this and let you guys know how that tastes. So now I'm going to clean up my mess and come back to you guys later.